Welcome to Merkaba Technology. This channel is to show you the many ways you can create a Notion for your business, whether it's for operations or even a product that you want to sell. In showing the many ways to build in Notion, I will be giving out some business gems also. But not just showing the many ways that you can build in Notion, but why building in Notion can be helpful. So thank you for being here. Now let's talk about what the topic is for today. In this video, we will be going over ways to refer yourself and to refer other people in your network through Notion. Here at Merkaba, we've built a system called the Referral Directory. So today, you will see one of the many ways you can take your business operations and referrals into Notion. Even though I would love for you to use Notion, I do believe that you can take some of these tips and look for other affiliate tools or referral tools that can provide the same features. However, sometimes some of these features that we do see in Notion is exclusive to just Notion. So let's dive on in. Here at Merkaba, when we have questions, we always want to back it up with some stats. So after doing some research, we found out why having a referral program can benefit your business. People are 90% more likely to trust and buy from a brand recommended by a friend. Also, 55% of B2B with referral programs believe that their sales efforts are highly effective. So what does that mean? Basically, having a referral system, having affiliates are going to help you be able to gain trust a lot faster. One thing that we realized after, depending on your industry, is that a lot of people are just losing trust in brands. There's a lot of scamming out there. There is people wanting to really maximize their dollar. So they really are just going to go with brands that they trust the most. And even if they don't know someone specifically, they will ask around to their colleagues or their friends and see what they will recommend. And because they already have that personal connection with that person, they're naturally just going to go with that brand more likely, as you see here. Also, referral brands see that it benefits their sales because it's not just them that's getting the content out there or pushing their brand, but also other people who are well educated in their offers or their products that are also speaking about their brand also. So with that being said, let's go over how you can manage your referrals here at Merkaba Technology. Referral profiles. This referral profile is filled out by the referral, and then we will house them all in a directory, which we will go over a little bit later in this video. We will be able to share this referral profile with anyone once it is completed by just copying the URL, and we're able to send that URL, as you know, through email, text, or just adding it to a social media bio, etc. Here are a few examples of some referral profiles that have been created. So this is Pia's invitation to create a website. Now, she put her own personal touches and her own branding because she speaks to a lot of, she makes a lot of websites for people who are spiritual coaches and just spiritual people that have products. So, however, she has worked for many different companies, as you will see in this referral profile that I don't have to go over in detail. So she starts with a greeting, and then they go over their mission for their business. They give you a little PS, how this page was built, which is definitely a product that's sold by Merkaba. You get to get a visual of Pia, a nice bio, and then Their portfolio. So everything that they've worked on, all their companies that they've worked on. So they worked in Merkaba. This is my CTO at Merkaba Technology. They worked for Snorble. They worked for a lot of different companies, and they're able to add the website for each one of these companies. And then you have a testimonial section that you can include. Also invitations, right? And then contact them. So their phone number, their email, their booking link, and then all of their platforms that you can follow. So boom, that is Pia's profile. Now we have another interesting company called Authors Leverage that the owner, Parshell, is really brilliant. And this is basically a profile that's really specifically just talking about a workbook if you wanted to create a digital workbook. So goes over, introduces everything, talks about the 5 main ways that you can get more bang for your book, and then breaks down how to build the platform. You can open up these toggles to get more information to kind of see how the workbook will look at getting a visual. She talks about other resources. You can have a booking link right here where you can book right in her calendar. And then you have other offers, how to stay connected to them, etc. So that is just a quick review of Authors Leverage profile page. And then we have Portia Michelle at PM & Co. So Portia Michelle, this is her page. She added a video. She has a photo here. She has bios. Also her social media links, how to contact her, and getting to know her more. So any interviews she's been in, and then also any recommendations to just hop on a call with her so you could get some coffee or lunch. And then, of course, here's one of Merkaba's quick little referral profiles also that we will go over a little bit later. So those are just some examples of what the profile can look like. Now, of course, it comes from a template that we send over. Once we send over this template, you can also add a little video to show them how to add everything, and then it basically gives them something to jump off of, and then they can add from there. And giving them examples, it's so easy to add in Notion, whether it's an image, literally press it slash, you have headers, text, you have different types of images and videos. You can easily add web links and stuff like that. So it's not hard to build on these pages. So that is referral profiles. Now, host referral profile. So as the host, you will also make a referral for yourself that you can share. Now, I love this because you can use this at networking events. You can also share this with anybody that's going to be referring your business, and you can open it up to the public to where it could basically become a mini website. So you could publish this as a static website page, which is really cool. With that being said, here you see we have a welcome. We give them a coupon code so they can check out any of with 10% off of any Merkaba products. This is an active coupon code, so if you would like to use it, have at it. It also goes over the business of Merkaba, the recommendations, all of the products in detail. It goes to their own individual landing pages on our website, and then just a quick contact to get in touch with us. So that is our host referral that we can share with other people. So now we've created a system where we can refer ourselves, and we can also refer any of our colleagues, clients, members in a group, etc. Right? So remember that all of these things getting built in Notion comes from a template that is stored in a referral directory. So here's the home directory that holds the basic referral template that we send off to our referrals. Once it's completed, we will group them by industry or craft. So I could easily have all the people from my CEO group, all their profiles here, and then my affiliate group all here. And if I want to break it down and have anyone that's making websites have their own section, I can easily add a group just like this. You can add a toggle, right? Drop it in there. Now I have an area for my affiliates, but now I've broken it up by what they do. So if I now have 3 to 4 people that make websites, I can easily add their pages under here and I can roll it up so I can find them a lot quicker. So this section is just the templates, right? This is blank templates that you literally can duplicate. Once it's been duplicated, you can share it with anyone by just sending it to their email. Now they can go and fill that out, and it will naturally start to get filled out, and you'll see it once it's complete, and then you can move it down to the proper area once they filled it out, and you can move it down to whatever area it's supposed to be in once they have completed it. So this area is for templates, and this area is for completed live pages that are active and people have access to them. All right, we have made it through another unique way to use Notion. This is one of the many things you need for a referral program, a place where you can market yourself and your affiliates. So I hope this today was really helpful. You got some gems that you can take and you can add to your business. If you like this system that was shown here, click the link below to make a purchase. In that purchase, you will receive a booking link to your email to book a free 30-minute consult with me to answer any questions you have about the product. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.